Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from happiness.com, and we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Verni Mix 2. Okay, so yan yung I already brought out the device. The device comes with its own silicone case, plastic case. Okay, so we'll talk about that later. Let's open the box so you can see exactly what's inside. So nandito yung phone dapat. It comes with, of course, the USB cable, micro USB cable, the wall charger. Tapos kailangan yung adapter, no? It's European plug or whatever. It's in bilog, okay? Comes with the manual, okay? Yung pangsundot ng SIM tray for an OTA update. So we'll check this later. Keep it out. It also comes with extra screen protector and back case protector, okay? Pero what's good about it is meron na pong nakalagay na pre-installed, okay? When I say pre-installed, when I opened it kasi yan, meron na, papansin niyo may nakakabit na, okay? So pati yung likod meron, they put one already, okay? So at least maganda yon kasi minsan it's a hassle of putting on your own screen protector, no? Ako yung linagay ko sa tablet, just ko panay bubbles. Pero the screen protector medyo smudge magnet, okay? So the phone itself, okay, according to the box, okay, medyo magulo no? Sa box nakalagay dito Helio P25 daw na octa-core, 6-inch na 18:9 screen, 1080 by 2160 yung FHD yung screen, 6 gig RAM, 64 gig ROM, 13 megapixel yung camera, dual cam siya, 13 megapixel saka 5 megapixel. Yung front po niyan is an 8 megapixel. Kakaiba yung setup nila, ayun, nasa ilalim yung camera, so it's not to the top, okay? 4,200 milliamperes na battery, quick charge daw siya. May fingerprint siya, sensor, which I haven't set up. 4G LTE dual SIM. But then the VOS is, I think, it's their own OS they use for the phones, and it's an Android 7.0. Okay. So going to the actual phone, you see the power button and the volume buttons all on the right side. Okay. Medyo makapal siya, yung phone. Okay. The fingerprint is in the back, and the SIM card slot is on the left side. Okay. So, labas tayo ng pangsundot. Meron ako dito sa wallet para makita natin yung SIM tray. Wait lang mga kaibigan, hindi kasi handa eh. Okay. So, this is not a sponsored post mga peeps. I bought this in Lazada. Okay, so it's using one of those modified SIM trays, it's either you put one nano SIM and one micro SD, or 2 nano SIM cards inside the phone. Okay. So yeah. So if you can see, yan, napansin niyo, yung taas halos is covered by all the screen, Ang naiwan lang doon sa taas is yung speaker para pag may tumawag ka. And sa bottom yon, there's about half an inch sa ilalim na kinain. Then the camera is there, okay? It's using a micro USB port, okay, and there's 2 loudspeaker ports. I'm not sure if both of those work, okay. Tingnan niyo yung interface niya. It's kind simple na interface. And halos wala siyang pre-installed. Yung PUBG, I installed that last night because I'm gonna test it with PUBG. Yung Tutu benchmark, I already installed it so that I can also test out the benchmark. You'll know when we do the review. So wala yung the usual na Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It's not pre-installed. So konti lang yung bloatware niya, Okay. Maganda nga, hindi masyadong the interface for the settings medyo weird. It's running on Android 7.0. Okay. Memory, so 6 gig talaga siya. It's kind of weird. Some websites I checked already says it's only 4 gig, Pero as you can see, it says here it's 6 gig. The storage is 64. ang free mo is 56. So, 8 gig ang ginamit ng OS. Pero since I've already installed some apps here, yeah, like yung Antutu, yung PUBG, so I only have roughly 46 left. So, marami pa rin yan. It's expandable daw to 128. Okay? So, mangyayari lang dito sa phone na to, wala kang gagawin kundi punas. Kasi yung screen protector niya medyo, smudge magnet. So, ayan. So, that's the quick unboxing for the Verny Mix 2. I have the one. I'll double check. I think I ordered the blue one. Why did they send me the black? Anyway, I got this from Lazada for 9,100 something, and I was able to get a discount of 1,000 pesos. I used my RCBC savings card. So, happy nyo, meron yan silang code na 999 yung ililes. So, that's it guys. Bye. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.